All right, great. So far, so good. It's been a whole lot of moving forward and backward and side and back and side and all these different things. Now we're going to do what I consider the easiest and most fundamental movement in this entire form, which is waving hands like clouds. Actually, for this one, it's like this. This shows up in a lot of different Tai Chi forms, and it really brings that fundament now from side to side and integrates the waist. And it's a beautiful movement when you start getting into the complexities of it. And it's super simple. So, our transition move, we just went over to the right where we pushed out, pulled back, forward, back, and forward again. So, here we are pushing out. We're going to bring our left hand across, step back in, bring the right hand across, hold the bird's beak, and step to the left. Now with this, we're watching our hand as our body shifts. Notice that the hips are going from leg to leg, turning, and the hand comes out. My right knee is still somewhat bent, so I can move in an instant, but most of my weight is coming over that front left leg. And I like to call this one the look awesome pose. If anyone asks you to do Tai Chi for them, just and give them a wink. Um, our transition again. By the way, that last move, it's going to be going out to the side. So really we'll be over here. I was doing it the other way for ease, but when you come back, you'll do this out to the side, back, forth, back, and forth. Now from here, there's a little pivot of the feet. The left hand is already up, and we bring it around, change hands, back, step out, and follow that hand across. That's our single whip. Let's do that one more time. So we're here. We've already gone to the left, back, forth, back, forth. We step in, around, and out. Back, forth, back, forth. Our left hand comes up. We pivot those feet back and across. In. We're going to sink into the right foot. The left foot gets loose. Step left and bring that left hand across and out. So notice here that the left foot is not straight and it's not 90 degrees. It's about 45. And that right knee is bent in. Our waist is a little turned. Our head is up and we're over. This is just a quick little transition move. It happens a couple times in this form. I will go into a little more detail on the single whip because it's one of the more complex, I suppose. So we're going to follow this, bring this hand in, up, and over, and step. Change the hands. Follow the right hand across. Change hands. Step, left, follow, change, back, change, follow, switch, and we'll come back. We'll hold that single whip. Notice the hand is under the elbow. Step out and open up. All right. Yes, I know. That's a whole long flow. We're going to break this down for you. I'll do the next video on the single whip, doing that one properly. Uh, and then we'll do the waving hands like clouds. I just wanted you to have this all aligned together.